Doesn't start anymore. Okay guys, this is now a serious problem. No. Okay, I'll have to sort that out. Shit.
It's 1972, right, John?
1972?
1972.
Wow. You're still using it, or it's just for...
Well, we be 30 bits.
Yeah.
You know, I got it all done up.
Yeah. No, it looks amazing, really. That's a really cool tractor, right? You can go, but you're in the shot already anyway. You don't want to be on camera today? You know, then especially you'll be on camera. What's all this?
Stop it! I know you have one bag and you're very organized, but I just did my laundry, so that's why I'm putting it back now.
Actually, the nice lady here from the Airbnb did our laundry last night. It's so sweet, and it's all dry. Anyway, we're taking the ferry from Lani to the UK, and it goes in 3 hours, so we have to hurry. Let's do it. All right.
Right, Marcus.
It was lovely meeting you, and
lovely,
thank you for everything.
You, not at all.
It was such a cool stay.
You're so lovely.
Yeah, you really made us feel like home. It was really awesome. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you say goodbye to Brian. Yeah. Have a lovely day. Okay. What a cool stay. Some sheep here. But now we have to hurry. 53 miles. Luckily, I'm filled up to the brim. I charged it the whole night. And V said it's like 14 kilowatt hours I put in. The charger again said 17.7. So I'm pretty sure at least it's also fully leveled. Hopefully. It was still charging when I unplugged it this morning. So yeah, that takes kind of forever. But one day I might do it like fully full until the bike shuts off, but haven't done that yet. We booked the tickets. It's like 60 euro each for the ferry. Whoa. These roads are so narrow. Careful, Candy. Oh, that's a cool Triumph. Scrambler. So yeah, we have to hurry now. It's already 11:30. We'll take an hour. Yeah, we'll be good. Cheers. Let's do it.
Maybe it's a new beginning. Maybe it's the start of where it ends. I know. It comes down to all or nothing. This time it's for real, we can't pretend. You know, they're closing in. And I don't wanna miss a shot. Adrenaline. So give it everything that you got. Don't stop. In your eyes, I see a fire lighting up as we're getting away. There's no going back, and I'm loving the chase. Where you go, I follow. We're not giving up, never hitting the brakes. There's no going back, and I'm loving the chase. We're not giving up, never hitting the brakes. There's no going back, and I'm loving the chase.
Almost at the ferry, and we're right in time, I guess. You're supposed to be like half an hour early, and we're 50 minutes, so half an hour early is the last, so we're pretty spot on then, I guess. We'll make it for sure. Yeah, we do fuel later. They didn't send me an email, but I should be okay with my booking code. There it is, yeah. Cairn Ryan, that's the town. Oh yeah, I think I was here before as well. The door is still open, so I think we should be fine. There we go. Hi. Marcus Engel. Yeah. Okay. Oh. The ticket. Thank you. Sorry. Almost forgot the ticket.
Thank you very much. You're carrying personal belongings. Did you pack them yourself? Are you
Come
carrying
again?
personal belongings?
Yeah,
Did you pack them yourself? Are you carrying any dangerous projects or hazardous substances?
No.
Thank you very much. Proceed to lane 30.
Thank you.
Is this bike electric?
Huh?
Is this electric?
It's electric, yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Thank you. It's from Finland.
Is it? Do you have brake in the back?
Well, that's the motor.
So it, like, you know, when you let go, it slows down?
Yeah, this is electric motor inverted.
Yeah.
So, like, it puts out power or it regenerates when you, like, let go.
Yeah, it's cool, man.
Like with the cars.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Andy,
Okay.
does your bike take petrol? Wow. I just wanted to ask you about your bike so you feel a bit better. What brand is
Never
it?
want to travel with you again because everyone only talks to you.
What brand is your bike?
I'm not telling you.
Telling me why you're so rude. Wow, that's why nobody approaches you.
What?
Well, I think it's a triumph. Yeah, petrol girl. I'm catching up. Always have to wait for me. Oh, you did the foot thing. Wow. On the boat. You can go ahead if you want. Get your own footage. It's awesome, right? Like a crab. Yeah. No, it looks like a turtle. A sea turtle. Yeah. How tight did you make yours?
He made it tight for me.
How tight is it?
It is, right?
Fine, right?
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. They will check anyway. Alright, second ferry for this bike. Will be tight enough. Not gonna get wavy or anything. So it's still pretty unbelievable that we had sunshine every day that we've been on this island. It's so incredible. I don't even know how that works. But now we're leaving. Goodbye, island. Bro, where's your Senna? You need a new Senna. Oh. No. Let's go. Just. Whoa. Oh, there's some rain clouds there. Right, guys, we're in Scotland. We're back. And now we're on our way to Loch Lomond, right? It's called? Yeah, Loch Lomond. All the lakes here are called Loch. It's a bit odd, but we're visiting a friend of Candy's. You have friends everywhere. Freaking everywhere. So that's where we're gonna stay tonight. It's gonna be 105 miles. I will not make that. I will have to plug in for a little bit at some point. But we can keep riding for a little while. And that's a cool Suzuki there. GSX 8R or something, right? Badass. And I immediately noticed the smooth roads. That is insane. Like, what a difference. And I actually remember that road in particular because I've been on that road before, but from the other way. And I remember this island there because I saw it while I was charging during sunset last time. That was so cool. It was such a cool charging spot. Pretty awesome. So yeah, immediately feels good to be back in Scotland, even though it looks like it's gonna be raining. I hope not. So we're heading towards Ayr, but before that we'll fill up at the gas station, and in like 70 miles or 60 or 70 miles I reckon I have to charge somewhere. But this is so cool. Wow, can't wait to be riding in Scotland. I can't believe we just entered Scotland and starts raining. Hopefully that's not gonna be like this now. Kenny, what happened? 2 weeks sunshine.
Oh no!
What the fuck?
Crazy!
Yeah.
Petrol does use petrol liner.
How much is it? 135. We're gonna keep riding because we want to get there today, so not much we can do. Okay, so we'll be riding now in the rain for a little bit. I guess until the next charger. I hope once we reach the charging station in 40 miles, the rain will stop. But yeah, we have to go. You good, Candy? You hear me? Yeah, okay. Let's go. Oh boy. I don't like it. I guess we're gonna be soaked, Candy. Testing the rain gear. I have a Touratech jacket, but the pants are from a Walmart shop. Because I couldn't bring my pants. Because I have this Gore-Tex stuff. But it needs an own pannier. It's so big. So I can't bring it. Just have to be super careful now. Hello, Scotland. My bike just shut off. Yeah. I think I have to because it says temporary powertrain fault. Oh, now we're back. Now we're back. That was so random. I don't know if I have that on camera now. 15%, but it just shut temporary powertrain fault and then it just shut off. Because I had it on the cruise control and then it just turned off. That was so weird. But we're back. I turned it off and then turned it back on again and now it works. Weird. Alright guys, that was very strange. It said powertrain fault and then it just didn't do anything anymore. I had that before, but that was only when I was accelerating like a crazy person and then the wheel would lift on a bump and then it would do shortly that, but never had it happen just like that. That was very strange. Also, we did an involuntary range test today. Now I have 3% battery left, but we did 127 miles, which is awesome. Considering that I was just riding like super normal, And the last bit was even highway and everything. Oh, look at that. And I chose this charging station because there's a McDonald's, so we can just charge and get a little burger. So which one do I... Oh, let's take the last one here. Yeah, I think that one is cool. Look at those fancy things. So yeah, 127 miles because I reset it at Kozo 10 miles later. And yeah, 3%, 4 miles range left. I reckon maybe even 10 miles left. Awesome, we did it. So, first, I learned I have to tap first. I'm not dealing with no app now. I'm just tapping and then... time to plug in. We are connecting your vehicle. Preparing. Please do it. That would be really nice. Charging. Yes. Yeah. That was fast, right? Yeah. That's cool, right? That's how it should be.
Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
This was the fastest charger.
Yeah, right? Just come here, done. 2 minutes. Yeah.
Double burger.
Double pounder.
It is good, right? Not that my opinion matters in any way, shape or form, but the quarter pounder, the double quarter pounder is the best McDonald's burger.
I like my spicy burger even more.
I want to try. We're fully charged. It's not fully charged, I reckon. 12 kilowatt hours. Remove cable. Yeah, after rain, the display really doesn't seem to work. Oh god. Yeah. I need a glove. I don't have a glove. How do I end that now? Yeah, that is weird. I can end it while tapping. Yeah. Okay, the display doesn't work when it's wet. But it's not even wet anymore. So I don't know what that is all about. No, I'm trying to unlock. Charge complete, 11 pounds. Yeah, and then I can just remove the cable, that's good. Still weird that it doesn't work. It just turned off. Good, I have to do that anyway. And maybe now the display works. No. Huh. But it's not wet anymore. I hope it works again later. Maybe it's the sensitivity of the screen. Maybe they can adjust that. Let's see. Okay. So we had our burger. I don't know, how long have you been here? We have been here a while, like 40 minutes. Okay, now it doesn't turn on. It doesn't turn on. Hold to start. No. Okay. Cool. No, now it's off again. Okay. I don't know. It's a little buggy now. Jesus. Maybe with the gloves? No. Yeah, that's not... That's... No. Fuck. It won't go anymore. Okay, that's a problem now. Okay guys, that's now a serious problem. I don't know what's going on with the bike now. You think it needs 2 minutes? Yeah, but that shouldn't... Okay, one more try. Now the green light is on. No. It wouldn't go. Yeah, but then it wouldn't do anything anymore. Fuck. It does the same thing that it did on the highway. Fuck. No. Okay, I have to sort that out. Shit. Yeah.
And then let's you press and hold the.
Okay, so I'll press it now.
So whereabouts are you right
We're
now?
now in Scotland. We just crossed the ferry. We did the whole Wild Atlantic way, and now we just took the ferry to Scotland. Yeah, no. So far, like it was all really well. Like there was nothing.
Yeah.
There was.
That's good. Good to hear, though.
Yeah, it's not the first time.
Weird that.
And I did like 130 miles, like on
a
one
single
shot.
charge?
Yeah, like with
Nice.
with highway. Like the last hour was just highway.
Oh dang, crazy! Yeah, I mean highway is like the worst. To do
Yeah.
For
No, we go
range.
like 70
But
miles. So it has to be off when I press this, right?
Yeah.
How are you doing? All good? Okay, so I called the guys from Verge and I did a reset. And does the screen work? Yeah, the screen works again. Yes. Yes. Okay, so there was an error with the screen. So let's see. No, but it's not. No, but it's not turning on. Oh, fucking, it's starting to rain now. No, it doesn't do nothing anymore. Fucking hell.